Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been so long. I feel like I did a poll on my channel basically saying like if I should do a almost finished living room tour or if I should just wait, and majority of the votes said to just go ahead and do an almost finished tour. So that's what I decided to do. So we're just gonna jump ahead, let me move back to the light. So we're just gonna go ahead and do an almost finished living room tour. I just got minor things that need to still be done. I need some advice on things. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm Crystal Alizé, for those of you who don't know. Follow me on all my social media at Crystal Alizé. Also, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below throughout the video and ask questions. I would really love for you all to comment down below on what you all think I should do. And so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video. So here we go. So when you first walk into the apartment, this is what everybody sees. So right here, not even gonna camp, we originally ordered this little thing from Amazon thinking that it was gonna be my TV stand, but it was way too short and way too small to be a TV stand. So I will link it down in the description. But it's really cute still. So I just use it as like I got my computer under there and like shoes that, like I had those two pair of shoes on like the past 2 days. So like if I come in and just take my shoes off, I put them under there. Usually if I don't have shoes there, I would sit like those two purses right under there. On top of there, I got my pillows. I got the Beyond Bliss pillow from Walmart. I got the Blissful pillow from Hobby Lobby a while back. And that other pillow, the little bow looking pillow from Hobby Lobby as well. I got this mirror right here from Home Goods. It was only $15. I know that Home Goods doesn't have an online store, so I'll put down in the description a lookalike or something similar to it. Same as for the pillows. I'll try to find pillows. Well, I know I can probably find the Walmart one, but the other two I'll try to find ones like it. And then we turn this way, and I got the basket from Target. I got those like leaf things from, I think my mama already had those, but I think she got them from Hobby Lobby. I'm pretty sure. I'm sure it's not hard to find. I'm sure Amazon got like, it's literally just like some leaves. The glare from the window is on it, but these pictures came in a set of 3, and I'm pretty sure we got those from like Target or Hobby Lobby. Pretty sure. That thankful sign over there came from literally the dollar store, I think. Okay, and then we walk over. I got my couches. I got my couches from, these are the same couches I had in college, so they my ex-boyfriend couches, actually, if I'm being honest. I got this rug from Home Goods, and it was a really good deal. I got this rug for like $40 from Home Goods, so that was a good deal. Over here, let me sit down. This is the view. I'm gonna insert the boomerang that I put on my Instagram. I got my TV on this because this is where I got my inspiration for like my whole apartment. I can't wait till I'm done with my bathroom and everything to show you all, because this Living with Style, the Kim Woven home, she is exactly where I got all my inspiration for my apartment from. So if you haven't already, if you like a simple and like just simple, and I don't know, like for me, I like simple, I like plain clean and just like a cute look, then I would look at her and look at some work that she's done, because she's exactly where I got all my inspiration from. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna insert the boomerang right here that I uploaded and that people really liked. So let me walk over here. The 2 vases that y'all see, or I guess they could be called vases, these things my mom got from Pier 1. She had them for a while, and I just kind of took them. Pretty sure these pillows came from Pier 1. Now, for the TV stand, like I told y'all, we thought that little shoe rack thing was gonna be a TV stand. Came out to not be. So we had to make compromise. So we went to Walmart. These are actually like the little book stand things. Like if you could see the gap in between. Because these are actually like the book stand things. And we just got 2 of them and put them together. And like now they my TV stand. So I mean that's compromise if you have a, because this is like a, I think 55 or 65 inch TV. I don't know. My mom already had it. And she took it out the box and it was just sitting in the bag. So we really can't remember what inch TV this is. But we needed a kind of bigger TV stand. And so we just put 2 of these. They are the 6 cube little things. And put 2 of them together and boom. Boom, boom, boom. So originally I was going to put the, like, you know, the cube inserters. But I was like, that might be not look cute. So a lot of my stuff came from Home Goods. So I went to Home Goods and they had a lot of stuff. So I got this from Home Goods. It was, I'm sure the price, it was $12.99 from Home Goods, and I really liked it. So I got this one from Home Goods. I got this from the dollar store. So I was like, well, that match. I got this one from Home Goods for $14.99. Yeah, made in Thailand, fancy, I guess. I got this one from Home Goods. It had a tag on it, but I think this one was actually on sale for like $4.99. So not bad at all. I got this sign, God is good all the time, He is, from Home Goods for $14.99. And I got this little guy from Home Goods for $19.99. So not bad at all. And over here on this side, I got this little shelf thing from the dollar store. We actually thought it was going to be much bigger, but I mean, we got it from the dollar store, so we should have expected it to not be too huge. I actually have a chair, it's a chair that's probably like this color, and it's in my grandma's house, so I'm really going to be moving that shelf over there and putting the chair over here. But for now, this shelf is over here, and basically on this shelf I just got this sign that says, "Let the morning bring me word of your unfailing love, for I have put my trust in you." So this is rain knee brace, which I don't know why it's there. I got some, I'm sick, y'all, sorry. I got some books, devotional books, some prayer books. I got this book from my old church group, self-realization book. My friend Tierra bought me this smell good thing and some Febreze just because y'all know I got a dog. So now I got this sign from Hobby Lobby: "With all my heart, my mind, and strength, I love you, Lord, until the end." That sign was like $30, which is a really good deal to me. I'm really struggling finding pillows for my couch because, as y'all can see, my couches are kind of old. Well, they are old. So I'm really wanting like really nice pillows. So if y'all know anywhere that has like really nice pillows, and like I want them to be navy, maybe gray, maybe something, y'all see the rug, so like navy, gray, maybe that like tan color. I really don't want to do white because I feel like that would clash, but maybe a few whites. I don't want too many pillows because I actually sit on my couch. I'm not one of them people that like never comes in her living room. I sit on my couch quite often. So if y'all know somewhere, so let me get on this side so y'all can see the view from this side. So yeah, if y'all know somewhere that got like nice couches, nice pillows that are like solid but like cute, like maybe some pillows with like the little ball things on them or like fringes, I don't know, help your sister out. Also, I have been debating on if I want to put like a coffee table or like a poof or whatever it's called in the middle. So I have a dog and he's pretty bad and he likes to lay on this rug. And surprisingly, he isn't trained like completely, but surprisingly he hasn't peed on his rug. So I'm debating if I want to put like something in the rug. And y'all seen a boomerang of how it looks without something in the floor. So I'm just debating on if I even want to put something in the middle of the floor. Plus, it's not really a huge area. So I feel like putting something in the middle may actually like, I don't know, make crowd it a little bit too much. So let me know down below in the comments what y'all think, like if I should put something in the floor. Who texts me? My mom. So on over here I got a basket with blankets. I got this basket from Home Goods. Clearly, y'all, I love Home Goods, honestly. And so yeah, here's another view of the living room. I'm debating on putting curtains. My window is open now simply because I needed light for when I record it. Usually my window is not open. I hardly ever open my window. So that's another reason that I'm like, do I really need curtains? Like, even if I do get curtains, they will always just be draped to the side. So like, do I really need them? Like, that would kind of be a waste. I guess I can show y'all the hallway. I am gonna get a rug to run down the hallway. I want a rug that kind of matches the rug in the living room. Just because, I don't know why actually, because I'm extra. But I have this picture that says, let me open my door so y'all can step back a little so y'all can see. Go into the world and do well, but more importantly, go into the world and do good. I really like that picture. Of course, y'all can just guess where I got the picture from. If you guess Home Goods, then you're right. So I got that picture from Home Goods. It was like, I want to say $30. Literally, Home Goods be having like, this is a nice, it's crooked. Picture crooked. I hung this picture by myself, so don't judge me if y'all noticed that it was crooked. Don't drag me. Let me let Easy in, y'all. I put him outside while I start recording, because if you watching in my other videos, y'all know Easy be acting up when I record. So, hey Easy. Say hey. Say hey. Easy, say hi. He's weird. Anyway, so I got that, and then my mom already had these 3 little mirrors that's like a heart, so I put those right there just for the sake of having something. And then my bathroom is right there, but nothing spectacular is in there. So basically that's all. The next room, after I finish with my living room, getting my pillows and stuff like that, because that's really all I need is the pillows. I haven't decided on, you know, the curtains or whatever yet. So let me flip this. I haven't decided on the curtains yet, so comment down below if y'all think he think he is. Anyway, comment down below if y'all Easy. See, that's why I be having to anyway, comment down below if y'all think I should do curtains. Comment down below if y'all think I should do a coffee table or a poof in the middle of the floor. I will try my best to link everything down below, or lookalikes, because I got a lot of my stuff from Home Goods. Home Goods doesn't have a website where you can just buy their stuff online, so a lot of the stuff I will have to find lookalikes or something below. So I will try my best though. So again, comment down below if I should do the curtains, if I should do the poof or a coffee table in the middle. If y'all know anywhere I can find some pillows, and if Easy don't sit down, anybody that want to buy him. Yeah. So until next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And like I always say at the end of every video, see you later. Bye. Easy, say see you later. Easy, say bye. Easy, say bye. Say bye. He's a bad. Bye, you guys. Love you. Okay, guys. So I know that earlier I said goodbye and I said I was done, but I ended up going freaking shopping today with my freaking grandma, and guess what? I'm basically done. So let me show y'all. Look at this. So I got this from Ross, and it was $110, which is, I feel like, a really good deal because I really like this. Yeah. And that's the chair I told y'all was at my grandma's house, which ended up matching. I don't like the color, kind of looks off on the camera, but it's really like the exact same color as the couches. And this pillow was the pillow that I already had on my couch from earlier that I got from Walmart. These pillows are, it's also the pillow that I already had on my couch from Walmart, and so is this one. This is also the gray pillow I already had on my couch. I got this pillow from Hobby Lobby. It was $30. I got this pillow, it was in a set with that one from Ross, and it was $15. This one and the other one for $15. And then this one from Hobby Lobby for $30 as well. They did come in a set, so that's kind of expensive, but I mean, hey. So let me back up so y'all can see it from this side. So yeah, I kind of want to put something else around here, but then again I don't, because I don't really like to clutter it. Excuse my heating pad over there, it's cool. Excuse my neck massager over there too, on the thing too. But yeah, so here it is in a chair. And I moved the shelf over here like I said I would do. And then let me sit out on the couch. Now I can watch TV, prop my feet up. Excuse my meds. So basically, yeah. So let me come over here. So yeah, that's what was added since earlier today. So let me back up into the light, close out the video again. So yeah, if you guys like what I added since, oh that's bad. Let me turn this way. So yeah, if you guys like, oh that's ugly. Let me move over here. Still bad. Oh my goodness, my lighting in here. Clearly I need a ring light. Anyway, so if you guys, let me find some good light. Hold on, I can't do that. I can't end it like that. Okay, so if you guys like what I added, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like or what you didn't like. If you got some better suggestions, let me know. I'm all down for it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I can't wait to show y'all what I'm thinking about doing in my bathroom. So again, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Like I always say, like I said earlier, see you later. Bye.